The digital age has ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. Among the most transformative innovations is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing industries and reshaping our interaction with the world. At the forefront of this revolution are conversational AI tools like Grok AI and ChatGPT. These sophisticated language models represent a significant leap in AI capabilities. They possess the remarkable ability to comprehend and generate human-like text. They can engage in meaningful conversations, answer complex questions, and even exhibit creativity. Their emergence marks a pivotal moment in our technological journey. The significance of these AI tools extends far beyond mere novelty. They hold the potential to transform businesses, empower individuals, and redefine the boundaries of human-machine collaboration. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of Grok AI and ChatGPT, we begin to grasp the profound impact they are poised to have on our world. Developed by xAI, Grok AI distinguishes itself through its real-time data access and its distinctive, often humorous personality. This AI model is designed to grok information, a concept from science fiction meaning to understand intuitively and completely. Grok AI sets itself apart with its ability to provide users with the most up-to-date information available directly from the X platform and a vast dataset, continuously updated. One of Grok AI's most notable features is its integration with the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. This integration allows Grok AI to access and process real-time information from the platform's data stream, giving it an edge in providing users with the latest news and insights. Grok AI's conversational style is designed to be engaging and witty. The AI often injects humor into its responses, making interactions more enjoyable and personalized. This approach reflects a growing trend in AI development, where creating a more human-like and engaging experience is prioritized. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a powerful language model renowned for its versatility and impressive command of language. Trained on a massive dataset of text and code, ChatGPT excels in various tasks, showcasing its prowess in natural language processing and generation. ChatGPT's ability to generate high-quality content across a variety of formats is one of its key strengths. From crafting compelling marketing copy to composing poems and scripts, ChatGPT demonstrates remarkable fluency and creativity in its writing. Beyond content creation, ChatGPT proves to be an invaluable tool for tasks like translation, coding, and customer support. Its ability to understand and respond to complex queries makes it an ideal candidate for chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT's versatility and wide range of applications make it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Its ability to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and enhance creativity makes it a powerful asset in today's fast-paced world. As we stand at the cusp of a new era defined by artificial intelligence, the future of Grok AI and ChatGPT is filled with immense potential. Both AI models are continuously evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language models. Grok AI, with its real-time knowledge and witty personality, has the potential to revolutionize how we consume information and interact with the digital world. Its ability to provide up-to-the-minute insights in an engaging manner could transform news consumption, social interactions, and even personal decision-making. ChatGPT, with its versatility and mastery of language, is poised to become an indispensable tool across industries. Its ability to automate tasks, generate creative content, and provide insightful analysis makes it a valuable asset in a world increasingly reliant on information and efficiency. The future of AI dominance will likely involve a synergy between specialized models like Grok AI and versatile tools like ChatGPT. The key will be to leverage the strengths of each model to create a more integrated and powerful AI ecosystem.